Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out another $1 eyeshadow palette. So this is from the brand Santee and it's the Pink Collection eyeshadow palette that I got from shopmissa. And I'm really excited because I actually just placed another shopmissa haul order. I placed it on Cyber Monday and everything was 25% off. So I pretty much got every single makeup product for 75 cents, which is mind-blowing. I love trying out extremely inexpensive makeup products and especially eyeshadow palettes. The fact that you can get a 9-pan eyeshadow palette for $1 and this is full size, great looking colors. They're all shimmery, sparkly, which is fine by me. I love shimmery eyeshadows and it's cruelty free. So, wow, I am so excited to play around with this. I pick up a lot of eyeshadow palettes from shopmissa. They have a huge collection. I mean, they have a huge collection assortment of all types of makeup products and I've literally tried out hundreds on my channel. So if you're into that type of makeup or you're interested in that type of makeup, make sure you subscribe so that you can see my reviews on all of those. But so let's get on to this one here. I'm going to start out with some swatches. Swatch this, looks like a beautiful highlight shade. Ooh, gorgeous purple tones. Some green and red, maybe a little holiday vibes there. And these have a nice texture. Let's see how they swatch. I mean, maybe not swatching the most pigmented and buttery, but they're swatching beautifully. I think they have good color, good sheen to them. Ooh, well that red actually swatched really beautifully. So here are what they look like. I do see a little inconsistency with the formulas, like some seem to be nicer than others, but overall, not bad. And I'm definitely gonna try these out with and without my eyeshadow primer. So just going in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion all over one of my eyelids. Blending this out. So this palette does not have a light matte kind of white shade that would typically be what I apply next all over the lid, just as a little base, but that's okay. I'm gonna move on to my next step, which is highlight. And I mean, this is a beautiful highlight shade, so is this one. I'm gonna pick up this one and just like usual, picking it up with my finger. Oh my gosh. That is a perfect brow highlight. Blends out nicely, but look at the reflective sheen that gives. So it helps to emphasize that area and it's so bright and has beautiful shine. It's also perfect for brightening up this inner corner. Yay, I'm so glad to see that. You definitely do not have to spend a lot of money on highlighters in general, but definitely not on your eye highlight because this works perfectly well. Shows up really nicely, beautiful color, super easy to apply, just like higher end eyeshadow palettes that I have, so yay, very happy with that. Now, I could definitely create a purple eyeshadow look. We've got some great purple tones here, everything I need to create a purple tonal look, but I do kind of want to incorporate some other colors as well. So I am going to I'm going to go for this purple here, and I'm picking it up on a little crease brush, and I'm going to blend this into the crease because I'm going to go for kind of fun, colorful look. Oh, this is so pretty actually. It blends out so easily and it leaves such a beautiful shimmer finish. Oh my gosh, I love that. That is such a beautiful color, such a beautiful formula. So I'm going to apply this from the crease up to the brow bone. Oh, this is going to be a fun eyeshadow look. The brush that I'm using right now is actually from LA Colors. It's the full blending brush, which is a very affordable brush line if you are looking to stick within affordable makeup, like this affordable eyeshadow. I love the LA Colors brushes. I use this one a lot. I've washed it a lot and it is amazing quality. It hasn't not shed at all, soft, and it's great. So I don't know why, but this green is just really calling to me. So I want to try some green in this outer corner. Oh my gosh. Wow. See, this looks just as good as the expensive eyeshadows that I have. Like, that is full pigmented, foiled, gorgeous green color. I think I could really trick myself, honestly, to think that this palette was worth so much more than $1. Like, these formulas are so impressive. I feel like a palette like this would be a really fun stocking stuffer too. Such fun color going on my eyes right now. Let's see, what next? I'm gonna reach for another shade with my finger here. I'm gonna go for this copper and apply that into the center of the eyelid. I have a feeling, oh my gosh, yes. I was gonna say, I have a feeling this is gonna show up beautifully, and it does. For some reason, I think this one is the best quality out of all of them. I don't know why that is, but it shows up so pigmented and bright. Wow, and I actually really love the combination of this copper shade with the green. It looks maybe not the most cohesive combination with that purple there, but you know, we're having fun with it. We're playing around with the formulas, and these formulas are awesome. Let's see, so I already used this highlight shade. I'm gonna go for this one here, and I'm gonna apply that to the inner section that I have left on the eyelid. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one is beautiful. It's a little bit more pink toned, but still so bright, pigmented. Wow. I am so impressed with this eyeshadow palette right now. I recently tried out another kind of dollar eyeshadow palette. I say kind of because it's an e.l.f. palette that I found at the Dollar Tree. So I think originally it was worth more than $1. But gosh, that eyeshadow palette was so lackluster, lack pigment, just not impressive. And then I tried this $1 eyeshadow palette and I am like blown away by the difference and by the quality of this one. Like, this is such a fun eyeshadow look. It's colorful, but since it's all that same metallic shimmer finish, it kind of creates like a watercolor effect, which I think looks so pretty and actually very wearable. Maybe it's a little bit more going out type of look, but I was thinking this might turn out to look a little crazy, but it really doesn't look that crazy. What do you think? Wow. And I love to bring an eyeshadow along the lower lash line, and I did not use this blue yet. It looks like such a beautiful color that I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna apply this along the lower lash line and hope for a bit of a pop of color. Oh my gosh. Yes, this really does pop. It shows up so vibrant. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Every single color in this palette ended up working perfectly in this eyeshadow look. I am so happy right now. I love when I can find such a great makeup product that you do not have to spend a lot of money on, but you're gonna be able to get a beautiful result and look from. So this is definitely one of my favorite dollar store eyeshadow palettes that I've tried out. So let me show you my finished look here. Isn't it so fun and impressive? I really am just extra happy because I'm so pleasantly surprised by how good all these colors look together and how good this eyeshadow look came out. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.